Yo, what's up, everybody? JC Will, keeping the real FOREX King, back for a weekly FOREX forecast for the week of the 21st to the 26th. So let's start off looking at the forexfactory.com, checking out the calendar. So today's Sunday. Right now, you can see it's only one news event affecting JPY pair, which is very low impact. So Sunday should be a smooth transitioning. Usually Sundays, the market opens, it might open with a gap, and then the gap might get filled or continuation. But anyways, let's look at Monday. So Monday's a bank holiday for JPY. Click the folder details. It'll tell you why it was closed or where the case is. So right now, the JPY pair probably be a slow pair to trade if you trade a currency pair related towards JPY. But Monday, there's nothing too crazy going on. There's a lot of low impact news, maybe some medium impact for like the New Zealand pair or the Euro pair. And then Tuesday, the market has a lot of volatility coming in, especially during Asian session with the New Zealand dollar pair. You can see a lot of folders for that, high impact news. So check out. Be careful when you trade around those times. And then for GBP, there's decent news events, a lot of low impact news overall for Tuesday, and then high impact news for the USD pair with the Fed chair Powell testifies 10 a.m. And then Wednesday, you can see is pretty much mostly low impact news events and also high impact news with the USD at 10 a.m. with the Fed chair Powell testifies. And then Thursday, a lot of low impact news events affecting USD pair, JPY pair, Euro. So it should be decent movement on Thursday in the market. And then Friday to end the week, mostly low impact news events. A lot of news for the USD and Euro pairs. So that's pretty much happening for the week. And also you can check the news tab to see like what's happening, latest news events happening. So you, especially if you're a fundamentals trader, you can look at the fundamental analysis by looking at news events to help decide if you're gonna hold a pair or get in or out of a currency pair based off news events. And then also check out investing.com and check out pretty much you could search by the currency pairs you're trading, as well as you could go to coronavirus to see the latest updates happening in the market concerning what's happening in different countries concerning the vaccine and the new updates concerning the viruses. So that's good to look at. Also, I highly suggest look at economic indicators as well. So you could use this as a non-factor when you trade. And then also get into charts. Let's look at cryptocurrency. So right now, Bitcoin is creating new highs. We look like we're gonna get it like 60,000 sometime this week at this rate. We're in a bullish momentum. Right now it's an hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, which each candle represents 4 hours. So as you can see, we are on a uptrend. So I do see us getting over to 60,000. So this week definitely for a lot of opportunities if you're trading Bitcoin. So if we do come back down, we definitely probably shoot back up. So that's what I see for this week concerning Bitcoin. And those are the XRP. So for XRP, this pair is also, let's go to the 4-hour chart to get a better view. This pair also looks to potentially be coming up this week as well. I know like we touched around the 60.62 area last week. So this week we look like we potentially coming back down, break up, and then retest for a breakout. We passed the 58 area. We passed the 0.58 area. We'll shoot back up to the 62 area. But there's a lot going around concerning Ripple. That's why Ripple's moving the way it is right now. It's not like a smooth uptrend. It's constantly going up and down due to the case going on and everything surrounding Ripple. So I do see it potentially come back down or shooting back up to the 58 area. And if it breaks through the 58 area, we could literally come back to 62. And then let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum's also on the uptrend. Let's go to 4-hour chart. So I do see this pair, if it does come back down, shooting back up and creating new highs for the week. Since we are on a consistent uptrend. So based on that understanding, I do see it going back up. And now we'll look at GBP USD. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. So last week this pair ended bullish. So I do see this week it to continue for uptrend. If we do come back down, we should come back down, test the areas of support, and break the shoot back up. Or if it breaks down this area, we will find the next area of support. Before we shoot back up. So, and this week there's not too many crazy new events concerning GPUSD, so we can see the market literally just come back up, shoot back down, and shoot back up. And AUD so this pair is on a crazy bullish momentum right now. We're creating new highs since last week, so we literally from Sunday open to Monday we could literally see the market shoot down and shoot back up. But overall, I do see uptrend continuation for AUD USD since we're on like a nice breakout. But if it does come back down, let's say if it for some reason the market just shoots back down because we had this crazy bullish momentum, I do see the market testing around this area and then shooting back up. That's if it comes back down to this area. It might not even retrace that far down, but do see it continuation for the bullish momentum. And for GBP JPY, stating as GPUSD, and then overall creating a new high last week. So I do see the market potentially coming back down to test this zone area and then shooting back up to this week. We're just gonna respect the trend line. So I do see bullish momentum for this week. But if it does break down this area, we'll come back down to this area and then shoot back up. So just keep that in mind. And then for gold, so gold last week been playing around. It created a new low, but then try to create back to a high. So I do see gold coming back for a bullish momentum. I do see if it comes back down, we'll play around here and then shoot back up to the zone area and try to get back to the 18-15 area. But there's a lot of factors affecting gold. So we'll see what happens. But I do see gold comes back down under the zone area that we're going to shoot back up to this area. Because it's been on a slight downtrend, create a new low. But if we break this area, we break this high and close above here, we will continue to go back up. But if we don't break this high, we'll just come back down. And if we break this low, we'll just go down lower. But this is a strong demand zone area, so we'll see what happens. If we don't break below here, we should be good for continuation, potential uptrend. Last but not least, let's look at the Dow Jones US 30. So last week kind of ended a little bearish, but we're still in an uptrend. So I do see us. We do come from Sunday to Monday opening. If we come back down, we should play around and shoot back up for the week. But if we break down here, we'll just probably test around this zone area before we shoot back up for the week. So that's what I see for the US 30. And that's pretty much my analysis for the week. Make sure you use good risk management, trade what you see, know what you think, and you should be okay. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.